Hey everybody, my name is Billy Carlson. I'm one of Balsamiq's friendly design educators. Welcome to our course on rapid wireframing of digital products. We made this course to teach how anyone with an idea can turn it into a set of wireframes. You can use those wireframes to help communicate exactly what your product does and how it should be built. It can be really tough to turn your billion-dollar idea into a real thing, something that is easy to use and effective as you imagined. There's actually a process commonly used to achieve this. It goes by a few names. Some people call it user-centered design. Some people call it design thinking. Whatever you want to call it, it doesn't matter. It's more about how you do it. It's just about following a process that we're going to cover in this course. To begin designing a great digital product, it's best by staying in low fidelity. It's a cost-effective way to figure out exactly how your product should work through sketching, wireframing, and then testing these ideas with real users. This approach to product design is what we discuss in our book, Wireframing for Everyone. In this rapid wireframing course, I'm going to take what we discuss in our book and apply it to a sample project that we can work on together. Throughout the course, we'll be using our tool, Balsamiq Wireframes. Balsamiq is the best tool for this job. It's an industry leader in low-fidelity wireframing. It's an app that you can start designing with right away. There's little to zero learning curve. It's perfect for failing fast and generating a lot of ideas until you find the right one. In this course, we're going to be doing some really cool stuff. We'll be designing interfaces quickly and iterating with the goal of creating a polished final design. To get started, we're going to be looking at the project brief to define what we're going to design and who we're designing for. Then we'll jump into an overview of Balsamiq so you understand how the tool works. Then we're going to spend the rest of the time designing in Balsamiq. By the end of this course, you'll have a great foundation for how to design in Balsamiq quickly and effectively. So now that you know what we're going to do, let's get started. Next up, let's review the design brief.